What's up, everyone? We're on a 2008 F350 Super Duty. Crank, no start. Fuel pump would run, but there would not be any fuel pressure coming out of that port right there. Try to bleed the system and don't look. Barely trickling pressure. Batteries were charged. Found out that our lift pump here does not create any pressure for us. Here's the new one we're going to be installing. Really simple. 3 size 8 bolts. 8mm 5/16 underneath, right driver's side. Alright, well, if you guys have a F350, a 6.4 liter diesel with a crank no start, check the fuel pressure, the fuel port, and make sure you're not getting any air in there. If it is running, you want to get all the air out by bleeding it. You can bleed it by removing these lines. Also make sure you prime your fuel filters when you do your service.